I don't want to get wet.
Is he literally submerged? It's like up to his waist.
Joel, I've watched it. It's got burrs on it. Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. My mom threw away my best porno mag.
Oh, she was spitting fire.
You're a disgrace to the money girl. That's what you get. Who's money girl now, bitches? Hey, you tried starting that water, sput right out of that motherfucker. Just a good old boy. Yeah, let's see if it'll start.